好，让我们来看这篇 RA， 它的标题呢叫做 Historian 历史学家。我们来看它的第一句话，我们可以读慢一点啊。As a historian, if you really want to understand the sensibilities of those who live in the past, you must be like a novelist and get into the skins of your characters and think and feel as they do. 这句话比较长啊，我们注意好断句。首先第一句 as a historian， 重读肯定是 historian 了，对吧 ？as a historian， 注意往上提一下，重读出来。作为一个历史学家 ，if you really want to understand， 这个 really 你可以强调一下啊，副词嘛，强调说如果你真的想去了解，对吧 ？If you really want to understand the sensibilities， 这个 sensibility 叫做敏感度啊 ，sensitive 是它的形容词 ，sensibilities 这个敏感度 of those who live in the past， 生活在过去的人的这种感情啊，这种类似的感官的意思。Of those who live in the past 要重读。You must be like a novelist。这个 like 注意啊，它不是动词的 like， 不是喜欢啊，它是 you must be like， 你必须像一个啊 ，you have to be like a novelist， 你要像一个小说家一样。Novelist， 我们在 SST 当中见过那道题 ，female novelist， 对吧？You must be like a novelist and get into the skins of your characters. Get into the skins 这个地方呢，大家可以把它当成一个俚语来理解啊，就是你必须是要了解到你的这个角色啊，你必须要进入到你的角色的皮肤里，实际上就是你要非常非常了解你所研究的这个人了。And think and feel as they do， 像他们一样去感觉，像他们一样去思考啊。Think and feel， 这是我们的两个重音。Think and feel as they do，they 可以强调一下。再看下一句 ，You're asked to imagine what it's like to be a peasant in medieval times, asking the sort of questions a peasant might ask. Alright， 这个地方呢有一个单词 ，You're asked to imagine， 注意这个单词不要读成 image 了啊，它是 imagine 动词。You're asked to， 这个 ask 的 ed 不要读得很重 ，You're asked to imagine， 几乎把它消掉啊，不要读成了 You are asked to imagine， 不好听。What is like to be a peasant in medieval times? Peasant 农民、农夫啊。What is like to be a peasant in medieval time? Medieval 指的是中世纪，中世纪当一个农民是怎么样的啊 ？OK 啊 ，What is like to be 怎么 something 啊，就是干什么什么事情怎么样的啊？怎么样 ？Like what is like to be a、what is like to be a pilot, for example 啊，当飞行员感觉怎么样？就可以用这样的表达方式啊。What is like to be someone? What is like to be a peasant in medieval times? Asking the sort of questions， 注意这个地方一定要连读啊。Sort of question， 这个 sort of 可以读快一点。Asking the sort of questions a peasant might ask。Alright， 读快一点就是 asking the sort of questions a peasant might ask。好吧，我们再来看后面。What the writer is saying is that a historian needs imaginative sympathy with ordinary people in the past. 这句话有一些重点，我们先来看一下。What writer is saying， 这边可以停顿一下，因为后面是从句嘛。What the writer is saying is that a historian needs imaginative， 注意这个单词 ，imagine 的形容词 imaginative 有想象力的 imaginative sympathy， 注意这个词啊 ，sympathy 后面咬住舌头就可以了。sympathy 指的是感同身受的啊，就是说作为一个历史学家，你必须能跟你过去的人有这种想象力的感同身受啊，你必须能想到，比如说生活在中世纪的一个农民，他们在想什么，对吧 ？With ordinary people，ordinary 普通的 ordinary people in the past， 哎，这个 ordinary 的 d 呢，其实读的时候不用把它发得很重，不要读成 ordinary， 不好听。Ordinary 这个 d 几乎听不见啊，把你的舌头顶在上颚。Ordinary people in the past， 读快就是what the writer is saying is that a historian needs imaginative sympathy with ordinary people in the past。啊，这句话 RA 当中有一些难点啊，希望大家能好好练一练。大家这个学会了吗？